In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Confluence in just 5 minutes. Backing up your Confluence data is a crucial task that ensures all your valuable information is safely stored and easily recoverable in case of any data loss. Let's dive right into the process. First, let's open your preferred browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. The important thing is that it's up to date and running smoothly for the best experience. Next, go ahead and search for Confluence in your browser's search bar. You should see the official Confluence website at the top of the search results. Click on it to be directed to their homepage. Once you're on the Confluence homepage, it's time to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to access your Confluence instance. For those who are new to Confluence, don't worry, signing up is easy and free. Just follow the on-screen instructions to create your account, then log in to continue. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the settings by locating the gear icon. It's typically found in the top right corner of your Confluence dashboard. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings menu. This is where you'll find various options and tools to manage your Confluence environment. As you look at the options on the left-hand side, you'll see a section labeled Data Management. Click on this link to access all the data-related functionalities. This area allows you to handle data imports, exports, and, most importantly, backups. Within the Data Management section, you'll see a tool called Backup Manager. This is your go-to feature for creating and managing backups of your Confluence data. Click on it and then select Create Backup for Cloud. This option will initiate the process of generating a backup file of your Confluence instance. Creating a backup may take a few moments, depending on the size of your data, so please be patient. Once the backup is ready, you'll be provided with a link to download the file. It's crucial to store this backup file in a secure location where you can easily access it in the future if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created a backup of your Confluence data. Remember to perform regular backups to keep your data safe and ensure the integrity of everything stored in your Confluence instance. Thanks for following along today, and happy backing up.